Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Google Drive on macOS 14 Sonoma. Now I am going to download Google Drive. Open web browser. Go to google.com. Press enter. Type here in Google search bar, download Google Drive. Press enter. Click on first link, download Google Drive. Let's click on download Drive for desktop. It is 243 MB software. Now the downloading is completed. Let's close web browser. Click on Finder. Click Downloads. Here it is, our Google Drive software. Let's right-click on Installer. Open with Disk Image Mounter. Let's close Downloads. Let's double-click on Installer. Let's close Google Drive Installer. Welcome to the Google Drive Installer. Click on Continue. Click Continue again. This will take 426.8 MB of space on your computer. Click Install. Type here ROHIT Tech password. Click Install Software. Installation will take a minute. The installation was successful. Click Close. Click on Get Started. Click Sign in to get started. Now sign in as Gmail. Click OK. Now I am signed in as Google Mail. Let's close web browser. Do you want to keep this Google Drive installer package? You can click on Keep, otherwise click Move to Bin. In my case I want to keep this Google Drive installer package. Setting up Google Drive for desktop. Click OK. Now which one want select to sync on your Google Drive, desktop, documents, downloads. If you want sync all these three folder, now check it all. In my case I want sync documents only. Click OK. If you want to sync a separate folder, then click on Add Folder. Select folder. Click Open. Click Next. Click Got it. Backup on picture and movies on Google Drive. By default Google provide free 5 GB space on cloud. If you want to backup above 5 GB including picture and movies, you should take a purchase Google space. In this video demonstration I did not take backup of picture and movies. Click on Skip. Click Next. Click Next. Click Open Drive. Eject Google Drive install disk. Now the drive is open, show in menu bar. Now I am going to quit Google Drive. Here it is, Google Drive syncing. So viewers, in this video tutorial, you can learn how to install Google Drive desktop and set up how to syncing the folder on macOS. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.